Hola guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be making some egg rolls with just 1 cup of flour. Let's see how this works out, guys. So I have 5 eggs here. I'm just going to put them in a pot and boil for approximately 15 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Place on the stove to boil for approximately 15 minutes and see you guys later. So guys, while our eggs are boiling, we're going to grab a bowl like this. We're going to put a full cup of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Look at the quantity, guys. I'm going to add approximately a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So guys, the aim of this single or 1 cup recipes are to help those who are starting to go into pastry work, facilitate their work, and give them that sense of you can do it, since they're starting, so that they start with a less bulky recipe, so they can then build up from there. So these are like stepping stones. These recipes are like stepping stones to becoming a better version of you in handling flour. So I'm going to go ahead and add some butter or margarine. So I'm going to add approximately 1 tablespoonful of margarine. I'm going to get into that with my clean hands and mix everything together. So when you have a crumbly consistency, go ahead and add water. You can use milk, but I choose water. So we're going to use this measuring tablespoon to get our water into the flour. So this is 15 mils, and we're going to know at the end how many mils we used. So I'm going to put 30 mils first, and then we work it out from there. Another 30 mils. Another 15 mils. We're going to go in with approximately 5 to 7 mils again. Mix everything up till well combined. So this is ready, guys. Set this aside for approximately 15 minutes and I will see you later. So we have our eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and put this in cold water, peel them and dry them, and I will see you later. So guys, we have our peeled eggs here. Dab your eggs with some paper towel or kitchen paper towel so you pick up that excess moisture. So I'm going to set this aside. Sprinkle some all-purpose flour on our working surface. The first time will be to clean our working surface, and the second sprinkling will be to help us roll out our dough. So remember what we had. So I'm going to make a cylindrical shape out of this. So I'm going to form a cylinder out of this, an elongated shape. And I'm going to try to get approximately 4 to 5 pieces out of this. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. Alright guys, keep this aside and let's start with the first. So again, we have to create a cylindrical shape like this. and then we flatten. Guys, when I say flatten, I mean flatten. I'm not joking. Flatten, but in an oblong manner. Oblong, cylindrical, cylinder. Anyhow, I hope you get it. The flattening prevents it from opening up an oil, you know. Mostly flatten vertically. So I'm going to place my egg on this, the first folding over, and then I'll try to pin the sides to avoid like this. I'll pin them down, fold them in and pin them down. Watch, fold them in and pin them down. Fold it in and pin it down, and then I will roll over my egg. So when I'm done, I'll gently press on the sides. And just gently pressing on the sides, guys. Place this on a tray or on a plate. Continue and do same with the rest. See you later. Just added some vegetable oil into a frying pan, and we're waiting for this to heat up so we can fry our egg rolls. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and drop my egg rolls into the oil. So we're going to take everything out at this stage.